Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to the slide number 10. In the slide number 10, you need just to write these numbers. So I chose these numbers because the students have problems with these numbers. So let's see the answers. 8. The students, they write it without GH. Or they write I and E. 13. The students, they write it with E, not I. And they write it with one E at the end. 15. The students write 15. 28. 20. They write it with I, not E. 30. They write it with A. E, not A. E. 40. They write it with U. 56. 87. 99. 100. 100. They write it with A, not U. So these are the answers. Let's